My name is Don and I joined Victrex December 2017. I work as an application development engineer in the aerospace business unit. My role consists of supporting our long-term development programs to achieve our long-term milestones. I was impressed by the versatility of the product that Victrex provides, but what drew me in was the mini application that it goes into. With every job, I don't think it's a straightforward journey. I had my successes as well as my struggles. The quick wins are easy to forget, but the long-term challenges that you overcome always stays with you forever. So it's been a great opportunity to do that. For my area, the aerospace area, we look at sustainability. So working with products that brings about these solutions to the problems that we face is a great prospect, and to be part of that ever-changing world is quite interesting. I worked as a technician when I started off for about 2 to 3 years. In that time, I was given the opportunity to look at things at a granular level, being in the lab and seeing how things work. During that time, I also picked up some leadership opportunities as well, meeting a lot more people and the wider company as well. So that's been also a good opportunity for me in my current role. So the greatest support I think I had is from my colleagues. They've helped me pick up opportunities and advised me on challenges. I think the best way to summarize it is a problem shared is problem halved. So that's been the sort of forefront with the support, I think. I'm fairly new to the role. There are some technological gaps that I face each day. The team around me has helped me to close that gap and being empathetic to support me through that journey as well. I'm happy in my new role and working through my objectives. At some point I might change, but I will know when that's the time. I think the biggest development opportunity for me has to be when I was given the time to work with our strategic energy business unit during the time when I was in the lab. So they gave me the support and the time to working in a completely different department, trust me to do new things and allow me to step up. I don't think I would have my current role if I didn't have that development experience. Taking that time with the energy business unit has given me opportunities to spread out and learn about working with customers and the sort of focus that they look for. That has been a good foundation in my current role. Victrex gave me the chance to try something completely new and move away from the lab side, which I've been used to all my life. I'm grateful for the support and the trust to allow me to take that step. Challenging, interesting, inclusive, global and flexible. If you get an opportunity to try something out new, take it. Volunteer if you can. You may find it hard at times, particularly when it's new to you, but just know it will eventually pay off.